be wondering what we built for our physics project. And to be honest, we didn't know until 4 days ago. But what you're about to see will impress you immensely.
It may shock you, it will excite you, it might even horrify you. This is a hovercraft. I think we all know what a hovercraft is, but first, let me give you a brief history on hovercrafts.
Christopher Cockerell, a British boat builder, was the first person to invent the hovercraft. He first came up with the idea when he was thinking about how to make a boat go faster by reducing the amount of friction caused when it travels through the water. In 1955, he convinced the Ministry of Supply to back him up, but he wasn't able to commercially develop the product because it was placed on the government's secret list because of its potential benefits to the military. Finally, in 1959, he managed to get his idea removed from the secret list, and he formed the first hovercraft development company.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Actually, I didn't see anyone. So, here's the motherboard of the circuit, which connects to the 4 motors. So, RC receptor on the motherboard creates current which flows through the 4 different motors. And since it is not a continuous series, it is a parallel circuit, which means the current splits to each of the 4 motors. And what is there in almost every circuit? You guessed it, kids. Resistance. So, our remote, which we modified from a race car remote control, sends electromagnetic waves to the RC receptor on our hovercraft. Then it works exactly like a TV remote and sends impulses by using infrared radiation.
Oh, hello there. Here we have our drone's battery. Due to this battery being small and being a lithium polymer battery, we are not able to charge it too long or else it might spontaneously combust.
Hovercrafts have lots of modern uses, but most of them are used for specialized transportation in disaster relief, Coast Guard, and the military. The military is predominantly the most common one. It's used for transportation for U.S. Marines and the Navy. These hovercrafts can carry to 60 to 65 tons, which allows them to transport troops, military supplies, and even tanks. They're also used for humanitarian assistance, rescue missions, and disaster relief efforts. They can be used for passenger and commercial use as well. Tourist ferries, for example, in Niagara Falls,